Finding the best stand mixer for bread dough 2026 is essential for flawless baking. Heavy dough requires high torque and stable build quality. This guide rates the top powerhouses based on motor strength, capacity, and dough kneading efficiency.
Product number 1, ASIO Dough Chief 7.4 QT Dough Maker. The ASIO Dough Chief is a highly specialized powerhouse built specifically for bread and pizza enthusiasts. Shifting away from traditional planetary mixing, it implements a microcomputer-controlled mix-pause-mix program that perfectly replicates hand kneading simulation with an S-shaped dough blade. Its standout feature is a constant temperature fermentation function, 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, transforming the massive 7.4 quart 304 stainless steel bowl into a controlled proofing box. A face-up digital touch panel simplifies time adjustments, and the removable lid lets you add flour or water seamlessly mid-cycle. While its 250-watt motor is tightly geared for dense doughs, it lacks the versatility of multi-tool stand mixers for whipping delicate meringues. However, for sheer dough production, it is unmatched.
Product number 2, SunVV 6-in-1 Multifunctional Stand Mixer. For home chefs seeking ultimate kitchen versatility alongside solid bread making capability, the SunVV 6-in-1 is an incredibly adaptable contender. Boasting a spacious 6.5 quart tilt head design, this machine easily handles large batches of dense bread dough, pastry, and cake batters. It includes a traditional heavy-duty dough hook, flat beater, and wire whisk attachments that leverage a planetary mixing action for thorough ingredient incorporation. The tilt head mechanism makes swapping attachments quick and stress-free, while the integrated splash guard prevents messy flour clouds. While it tackles bread dough effectively at lower speed settings, the motor housing can vibrate slightly during high hydration dough processing, making it best suited for casual or intermediate bakers who value multifunctional utility.
Product number 3, Hausnot Dough Mixer with Fermentation Function, 5.3 quart. Perfect for smaller kitchens and artisanal sourdough bakers, this 5.3 quart automated dough maker brings premium dual-stage functionality into a compact footprint. Like the larger specialized units, it pairs efficient, hands-free electric kneading with an integrated fermentation mode that provides a perfectly warm, draft-free environment for yeast activation. The 304 food-grade stainless steel bowl handles everyday family loaves or a couple of pizza crusts with absolute ease. Its automated microcomputer timing ensures you never overwork the gluten structure, yielding consistently soft and elastic results. Because it focuses primarily on the mixing and proofing of heavy doughs, it won't replace a traditional multi-speed baker's whisk, but it serves as an excellent space-saving tool for dedicated bread makers.
Product number 4, Zacme 7-quart Stand Mixer, aluminum die casting. If you need raw, commercial-grade power built for heavy, continuous use, the Zacme 7-quart stand mixer is an absolute beast. Constructed with a rugged, heavy-duty aluminum die-cast housing and full metal gears, it is engineered to tackle the stiffest whole wheat doughs without budging on your countertop. Driven by a robust 650-watt motor with 12 variable speeds, it offers an intelligent LED display with a built-in countdown timer, allowing you to walk away while it kneads safely. The commercial-inspired tilt head system handles massive batches, up to 4.9 pounds of dry flour, effortlessly. It operates with a surprisingly low noise floor, despite its extreme power. It is a premium investment, but its commercial durability makes it the top choice for hardcore baking enthusiasts.
Product number 5, Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer, 4 quarts. The Hamilton Beach 4-quart stand mixer is the definitive budget-friendly champion for entry-level bakers and smaller households. Despite its accessible price point, it features the same planetary mixing action utilized by elite commercial brands, ensuring complete bowl coverage with its included dough hook, flat beater, and whisk. The 7-speed motor provides clear, labeled guides on the top handle for matching the correct speed to the task, preventing accidental motor strain during bread prep. An easy carry top handle adds excellent portability for kitchens where counter space is limited. While the 4-quart capacity restricts you to single loaf batches and it requires lower speeds for dense doughs, it delivers dependable, no-frills kneading performance at a fraction of the cost.
Your baking style dictates the choice. Specialized units with fermentation functions offer great automated ease. However, for true heavy-duty performance and long-term durability, investing in a robust, high-torque machine remains the definitive path to perfect bread in 2026.